No, so then no, the set of ones not equal to the ordered pair
Yeah,
one and one.
these are different from each other. This is a point, but this is a set, and you will understand now the difference. Yeah, here I want x cross y, or x product y.
Okay. So first I will open set brackets
Yes,
and then an ordered pair bracket.
yes.
Just I think okay, then 1 and 5.
1 and 5, excellent.
But just here we can multiply 1 with 5 and 2 with 5.
Again,
So we can multiply 1 with 5 and 2 with 5. So why won't we just like uh,
this is not a
multiply them and
multiplication.
add
No,
this?
no, this is cross, not a multiplication. Like getting married. Yeah, one will marry 5, and one will marry 7 also, and one will marry 8. And if they are more than 4, yeah, one can get married also. So this is not uh, this is not a multiplication. This is
Okay.
cross, 1 cross 5, like this, like this, 1 and 5. This means when we product two sets, when we cross two sets, we write order pairs.
Okay.
If you don't understand,
So
just ask
yeah,
me.
yeah,
If you
I
are
got
not
it.
sure, ask me.
I got it. Okay.
You are convinced right now?
Yeah, I got it. The idea.
Yeah.
It's all clear.
Thank you.
Um. So the second one is 1 and 7.
Yes, 1 and 7. Yeah, his wife. The, the third one,
One. The third one is 1 and 8.
1 and 8. Yeah, the fourth one,
Fourth one is 2 and 5.
2 and 5. The fifth one,
Is 2 and 7.
2 and 7. Yeah, the last one,
2 and 8.
2 and 8. Yes, this is excellent. Okay, do you remember when I said we can change the places of these or these?
Yes.
Do you remember this?
I can change the place so I can start with 2.
Yes, you can start with 2 and it will give you the same product. These will be at the beginning, and then these will be at the end, and it's the same.
Yes.
Yeah. So we want to draw the arrow diagram.
The arrow diagram. Okay, the arrow
Two
diagram is good.
rectangles, two
And
rectangles.
we will write the units.
Yes, the elements of each set. This is the set of x, and this is the set of y.
Okay,
1, 2,
1 and 2.
yes, and then
Here 7 and 8.
5, 7, and 8, and then
We will match 1 with 5 and
yes,
with 7 and with 8.
yes, and then
And 2 with 5,
yes,
2 with 7,
yes,
2 with 8.
excellent.
And
And
the
then
directions.
yeah, the directions, and don't forget to write the directions. Just to clarify that the first set is x, and
Yes.
it's also clarified because here the x and here the y, but just write the directions.
Direction. Okay.
Is it direction or direction?
No, I think it
Both,
directions, the both
both
is
are correct. Yes.
fine.
Yeah, this is called the arrow
Diagram.
diagram. And then the another diagram which is called
Other diagram was the Cartesian diagram.
yes.
So in every question I need to use them both, or I can use which one I want.
According to the question. If the question says find the product of x and y, you can write this, and this will be enough. This will be enough. But if the question says write the product of x and y, and then draw the arrow diagram, and then draw the Cartesian diagram, you will do all of them. Have it?
Okay.
Yeah.
I think both are easy, but I
It's
like I
long. Yeah, it's
prefer the
easy, but it's long.
I prefer the arrow diagram better. Just with that, it
Yeah.
looks cool, and
Yeah.
also I think it's
Wallah, I prefer all of them. Okay, I will make you like the Cartesian diagram.
Cartesian.
Diagram.
Okay.
This is diagram. Here the elements of
Um, Here the elements of x, x,
excellent
yeah,
x, which is 1
one and two,
and 2,
and two.
which are not which is. I said which is. Mr. Mahmoud needs to take an English course. Okay, let's continue. Here the elements of
Here the elements of y.
y. Excellent. And they are 5, 7, 8. And it doesn't matter if I started with 8, 8, 7, 5, 7, 8, 5. It's okay.
Yes, it won't. It just changed in the order.
Yeah. Let's draw a little line here and a little line here, and here the same from each element. Yes, this is the Cartesian diagram. That's it. You don't have to write the points. You don't have to write the points. So now it's easy. I think you will like the Cartesian diagram.
The Cartesian diagram. Yeah, I know it's easy, but I said that I feel the arrow diagram will be a little bit cooler.
Yeah, we have a complex arrow diagram. You will see this.
That
It's
one, just I see it in the movies. It's
in the what?
movies, like when they would give someone a very hard question, then something anonymous is drawn. No one knows what is it.
I didn't get
And
the last
I
two words.
like when there is a movie, they ask someone a hard question,
Yeah.
so they draw the arrow diagram, but it's a little bit
Yes,
complicated.
yes. Yeah,
There's
yeah, I
physics
got you. I
in
understand you. They draw which diagram? This diagram?
Yeah,
I think it should be this because this seems a little bit difficult more than this.
not the same arrow diagram, like
Yeah,
some
like yes, yes, I understand you.
physical things.
Yeah, yeah. Any figure. Yeah.
Yes.
Here the answer, and you have the master book so you can see the answer. I
Hmm.
just want you to see the answer from the master book because my handwriting is very bad.
Use
So
the mouse.
no, I use a graphic tablet or tablet graphic.
I don't know this one. I know this one a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, this. Wait, this. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah.
I okay. I know.
So now you can see the answers. This is the product, the Cartesian product, and then this is the arrow diagram. You know this, and this is the graphical or Cartesian diagram. And by the way, you don't have to write the ordered pairs of each point, but I prefer to write them.
Okay. So I just can write the point on mark the point.
Yeah, write them. Yes, please, because
Okay.
if the teacher who will correct your exam is like strict. Yeah, you should write this for him.
I think I must do it because this year is third prep and I'm not
Yes,
ready for that checking too.
yes, and you should have the highest score. Yeah,
Yes,
inshallah, you
inshallah,
will get the highest score.
inshallah.
What would you like? What would you like to be?
Let's say a computer scientist, something like a programmer.
Yeah, this is very nice dream. When I was young, when I was as young as you, I wanted to be an engineer. By the way,
Uh-huh.
I didn't get high score to be an engineer, and then I became a math teacher. Yeah, I was
So
I
they,
was
they
love
are
math.
they are a little bit the same. It's
What?
not big deal. A little bit they are the same. It's not a
Yes,
big deal.
yes. To be honest with you, I wanted to be an engineer for math, not not for
Uh-huh.
being an engineer because I was love math. Do you know
Okay.
when I started teaching math?
When?
Could you guess?
Maybe 3 years ago.
No, when I was in the grade of 2 prep, prep 2.
So you teach math to your class.
My class and less classes.
Uh-huh.
My
Okay,
class and less
that's too much.
classes. And specifically my brother, my younger brother and my friends and some of my relatives.
So you started the job from
Yes, so I wanted to be a math teacher and an engineer. By the
inshallah.
way, when I wanted to be an engineer, I also decided to teach math. I I really love math. Do you like math or you hate math?
Yes, of course. No, no, I don't have a problem with math. I don't know what's the problem
Yes,
with people
I
who
can
hates
notice
math.
clearly. Yeah, I can notice clearly that you are very good with math. MashaAllah.
Thank you.
Here
Shukran.
we want Y product X, not X product Y.
Okay. Here's different.
It's different from X cross Y.
I think I can see it here. Yes. So now
Are you
the
looking at the book?
yeah, yes.
So you are cheating.
I just you just said to me to look at the books. I needed to.
Okay, could you look at the screen and try to do it
Okay.
yourself?
Okay. Okay. Uh,
Yeah. Y and X. This is Y. Can you see this Y?
yes.
And this is X. First,
So
open. Yes?
we would start with y,
Yeah.
then five and one,
5 will marry 1. Yes.
5 and 2,
5 and 2.
7 and 1,
7 and 1. Excellent.
7 and 2,
7 and 2.
um, 8 and 1,
Yes. 8 and 1.
8 and 2.
8 and 2. Excellent. Yeah, you did a great job. You didn't get confused. And I appreciate this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, this is the
Yes.
product of y and x. And can you tell me how can I draw the arrow diagram?
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll start with a
r-
rectangle.
yes, rectangle. Yeah, and another rectangle. Here the
And
elements of
y, 5, 7, and 8.
y, x, and 5, 7, 8. I will write 8, 7. Do you have a problem?
No, they're the
Yeah.
same.
And here the elements of x, 1 and 2. Yeah, and then the arrows comes from here to here,
Arrows comes from here.
from x to y.
Um, No, from Y to X.
Yes, excellent. The arrows comes from Y to X. Am I doing right? Am I doing
Yes.
correctly? Yes. Yeah, this is the arrow diagram. Okay, what about the Cartesian diagram?
Okay. First we'll do horizontally Y,
Yes, horizontally Y. This is Y. And
vertically X.
vertically X. Excellent. And then the elements of Y, 5,
Elements of Y, 5
7,
and
8,
7
yeah,
and 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Excellent. Is it correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, this point is
1 and 5.
no.
5 and 1, sorry.
Yeah, don't forget this. 5 and 1. Yeah, and this point is
2, 5 and 2.
5 and 2.
And this,
I'm a good envier. Yeah, I told you here that you did a great job and you didn't get confused. And then you got confused here. Go ahead.
um,
This point
okay, just thinking. This is 7 and 1.
7 and 1. This point
7 and 2.
7 and 2. This
8
point
and 1.
8 and 1. This
8 and 2.
8 and 2. Yeah, this is Cartesian diagram. Yeah, we have finished. You can take a look at the answer because my handwriting is very bad. I don't know how you can read this.
Actually, I can read my handwriting, so that's good.
You
I have the ability to read any handwriting. Nothing worse than my handwriting.
really?
Yes.
I'm so excited to see your handwriting.
Okay. Actually, you would see it in the homework.
Inshallah. Yeah, this is
Um.
the y cross x. This is the arrow diagram. This is the Cartesian diagram. That's it. This is very easy.
Yeah. And I think this lesson till now it's good. The first time I saw it, I said, "No, this will take forever to understand."
Yeah, no, it's very easy. It's very easy. Yeah,
Okay.
you talk like a bad impression about this lesson. No, it's very easy. Okay,
Um.
here,
may-
yeah.
Maybe every lesson I take the bad impression.
Yes. Well, alhamdulillah, I didn't have this when I was young. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Here I want x cross x.
Oh, how is it?
And don't look at the book.
Okay, I'm not. I closed the book, so.
Yeah.
But this is confusing a little bit. Let's say it
Okay,
will be
let's
one
write
and one,
them. Let's
two and
write
two.
them. Let's
No,
write
this is
them.
easier than one and one and two.
Just give me a second. Yeah, x cross x.
And we can go with the ordered pair one and two.
1 and
One and four.
4. Where is the
No,
4?
one. Okay, one and one.
1 and 1. Excellent. 1 and 1.
One
Yes.
and two.
1 and 2.
Two and
1 and
one.
1. 1 and 2. And then
Two and one.
2 and 1. And 2 and 2.
Two and two.
2 and 1. And 2 and 2. Yes. This is totally correct. The arrow diagram.
Which? Okay, the diagrams are
They
diagram.
are
Um, one and one,
1 and 2,
two
and
and
then
one.
1 and 2. This is called
So
x set, and this is called x set.
exit.
Yes,
We will
the arrows
match
will,
one,
yes,
just two arrows.
yeah, this is correct.
Yes.
Yeah, and then the graphical or Cartesian diagram, you know this. This is very easy. 1
Horizontal.
and 2, yes, horizontal x and vertical x. I will be here. 1 and 2. And then lines, our lines. This point is
One and one.
1 and 1. This point,
One and two.
yes, or 2 and 1.
No, one and two.
Yeah,
I'm not going to be confused this time.
inshallah. Yeah, continue. This
Um,
point,
two and one, two and
2 and 1, and 2 and 2. Yes, this is excellent, and this is called Cartesian diagram.
two. Diagram.
Okay, there is another arrow diagram. The same, it's the same arrow diagram. Here we have, look at this. We have 1 and we have 2.
Okay.
The set is 1 and 2. So we have 1 and 2. Okay?
Okay.
If you looked at this, we have 1 and 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we draw a circle like this. And with any direction like this or direction like this, it doesn't matter. It means that 1 and 1 will circle, and then will
Aha.
circle again. It will be 1 and 1. Okay. Do we have 2 and 2? Yes,
Yes.
we have 2 and 2. What should I draw? What should I draw
I
here?
should I.
I should draw a circle here. This point 2. The same like 1.
Okay.
Basil.
Now, yes.
Do you
Yes, the same
understand?
as one.
Do you
I
understand this
understand with
circle?
one. Yeah, I
Yeah.
got it. So we
We
will make
have,
a circle
okay,
with two.
look at this. We have the ordered pairs 1 and 1, 2 and 2,
Two
1,
and two. So
1 and 2, 2 and 1. So here, 1 and 1, we can represent it like this. A circle with a direction, like this. Okay?
okay.
The 2 the same, because we have 2 and 2. We can represent it like this. A circle with a direction. It doesn't matter the direction, like this or like this. It doesn't matter. Okay?
Okay.
And then we have 1 and 2 and 2 and 1. 1 and 2, this is 1 and 2.
And two.
It comes from the point 1 to the point 2.
This is a new diagram, bro.
Yes. And then
Okay.
we have 2 and 1. 2 and 1. The R will comes from 2 to 1. This is called
Mhm.
also arrow diagram.
This is
Okay.
the confusing arrow diagram.
No, it's not confused. Like just يعني be patient with this diagram and you will understand everything. Okay, let's draw this arrow diagram again one more time. But you will help me.
Okay.
Look at the set. How many elements do we have here in this set?
Two elements.
Yes, 1 and 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, just set 2 points. This point is 1 and this point is 2. That's it. And then look at the ordered pairs that you have. You have 4 ordered pairs. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 1 and 2, 2 and 1. Right?
Right.
How can I represent these pairs? How can I represent these pairs? 1 and 1. This is 1 and 1. That's it.
Okay.
This is 2 and 2. This means the 2. The arrow will comes from the 2 to the 2,
And go
like
again
this.
to.
Yeah, like this. Can you see this arrow? This
Yes,
arrow
yes, I
comes
got.
from the 2 to the 2. So again, the arrow will come from 2 until the 2. Okay, so we represented these 1 and 1 and 2 and 2. And now we have 1 and 2. 1 and 2. The arrow comes from 1 to get 2, right?
Yes.
The same here. The arrow will come from 1 to get 2. By the way, I don't like this direction. Yeah, like this. And then we have 2 and 1, right?
Right.
Basil,
Yes, right.
please
I'm
focus.
speaking.
Yeah, we have 2 and 1. The arrow will come from 2 until the 1. That's it. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, you don't have to draw this arrow diagram, this kind of arrow diagram, but you have to know it, because I may give you an arrow diagram like this. The question can be like this, and the question needs to write the ordered pairs from the arrow diagram. Yes, you don't have to write this kind of arrow diagram. You can write only this. You can draw only this.
The normal one.
Yes, but this arrow diagram, you should know how to
Use.
yeah, how to use it. So I want you to give me the ordered pairs from this arrow diagram.
It's 1 and 1,
Yes, 1 and 1.
1 and 2.
Wait, 1 and 1, because the arrow comes from 1 and get 1 again. So 1 and 1. And then,
Can I say 2 and 2?
yes, because
Okay.
the arrow comes from 2 and then get the 2 again. So 2 and 2. Yes, continue.
And then 1 and 2, because the arrow comes from 1 and goes to
Yes,
2.
1 and 2. Yeah, and then
2 and 1.
2 and 1. Excellent. Okay, let's check your understanding. Do you understand?
Yeah.
We're gonna check this. Yeah, this is complicated. Give me the ordered pairs.
Okay, here we got 5 and 5, 4 and 4, 3 and 3.
Wait. I'm not as fast as you.
Okay, because
5
I'm
and
speaking
5.
your name.
Yeah. 5 and 5, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. Okay, keep going.
Um, in 3, 4 and 4, so
Okay,
I'm
wait.
5.
I will clarify something. Yes,
I can
we have
see.
finished this. We have finished this, and we have finished this, and we have finished this. Okay,
Okay, now get 5 and 3.
5 and 3. Wait, where is 5 and 3? 5 and 3. This. We have finished this. Yes, continue.
5, 5 and 4.
5 and 4. Where is it? 5 and 4. Yes, keep going.
4 and 5,
4 and 5. Where is it?
and
4 and 5. Yes,
just a second, I feel like that's not true. Okay. 4 and 5,
we said 4 and 5.
five, five, 3 and 5,
3 and
and
5.
five,
Yes,
3 and 4,
3 and 4.
four and
Wait,
three,
this is 3 and 4. And then 4 and
four
3.
and three.
4 and 3. Now, Alhamdulillah, I'm sure that you understand this. Because I don't trust my students. When I ask them, do you understand? They say, yes, we understand. And they don't understand anything.
I hope I will. I am understanding.
Yes. Now you know this arrow diagram. You understand this kind of arrow diagram. And you know this. This is easy. And you know this. By the way, this is called
Okay.
loop. You know that this is called loop.
The loop.
Yeah, this is called the loop. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, keep going.